Reliability Monitor Reports. This tutorial shows you how to understand what the stability graph and icons actually mean. First, click on the Start menu and type Reliability in the search bar. After that, click on View Reliability History to open the report. Let me show you. From there, notice the blue circle icons, which represent informational events like updates or installs. At this point, look for the red X icons, which indicate critical events such as application or system crashes. In the next step, check for yellow warning icons, which point to less severe issues that didn't crash the system. Following this, click on any icon to expand its row and see a short summary of what happened. Once done, click on View Technical Details for the full error report, including the source and fault module. From here, follow the stability index line across the graph. A dip means something caused instability on that day. At this stage, compare the date of a dip with the icons below it to see which event likely caused the drop. Keep in mind, a single red X isn't always a cause for concern, but repeated crashes from the same app are worth investigating. Finally, use this information to decide whether to update, reinstall, or remove an app that keeps causing problems. And that's it. If this guide helped you read reliability monitor reports, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next time.